Your Valentine Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to click and search for my account, which is Valentine YTT. And then from my Instagram page you have to go to add yours 2022 at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So go to highlights, and here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, just like this. I think it's the last one. You can also try my other viral trends if you like. So there you have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story, and afterwards I will show you the tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your sticker with your Valentine, of course. So I will go ahead and do that. I will go with this photo. You can now place your sticker where you want, and you can also go to stickers from the top of the screen and go to music, and you can choose one song from here. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, you have to go on my Instagram page on Ali and John YTT, and here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here, as you can see, I have this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here, and it will get you to my YouTube channel, which has a video. It has 2 or 3 minutes, I think. It's super easy to follow, and it will definitely help you. So now guys, you can now also join our membership on YouTube to have some perks. You can now talk with us in private about social media, and we can solve all of your problems in private. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.